I created a banner earlier for this course so as to save time. So using Canva, like I taught us in class, just go to canva.com and you sign up. Then this is the design I created. So I'm going to show us how to work with Canva in the next video. So I created this. So, and you can export directly to your MailChimp. You connect your MailChimp. Let's just do that. Okay, you log in. Then you click save. Okay, by the way, this design is called email banner. Okay, let me go back to campaign builder. Just drag out an image, then you drop an image. You can browse. You can see that this is already in my MailChimp account. You can also download it to your PC. Then insert. Okay, save and close. Okay, I've created this earlier, so I'll just quickly copy those. This should be the heading, but I don't think we need an heading again since we have a picture. You can just delete and just write your contents. You edit it in. So I created one earlier, I'll just copy that. Drag out a button. There's a call to action. So I'll just edit it. You can leave it to your website, or to an email address, or to a link, or to a file. If that's maybe you want them to download the file, then let's just put, since we don't have a website, you can just use an email address or a link, but let me just use a dummy website. Just put something there. Okay, you can change the style. You want a round cornerless, you can change the color of the text. You want it to be bold, you can just edit it here in style, then you save and close. Okay, also the second one here, click the link below to know how to get started. So I will drag out another button, or you can just copy this, duplicate block, duplicate, then you drag it down there. Okay. Drag it down there, then you edit it. Let's say you have a post about that, so you want them to do something, website address, you want them to put a link, your email address. Okay, I'll just duplicate this. Okay, I'll also duplicate this. I'll drag it down there. Duplicate. I just want to make it 5. You can just edit. And the 4th one. Then I have the 5th one. Okay, there are a lot of things you can do. You can add image card. As we go on, I will try and talk more about these things. We've seen how to do image group, we've seen button. Okay, let me show us how to add share and follow. You can add video. Let me just drag out share. Okay, that's it. Then you put what do you want to show, share to or share. I think it's okay like that. Then it's Facebook that you want, or you want it to be Google. That's going to change +1. Let's see if that's Facebook. Okay. If you want to put a custom URL, put a campaign URL. Then let me add something else. Then show, share, follow. Oh, we want people to follow us. Then you put your username, Facebook, complete. Then your Twitter handle or your username. Then your website. That's if you have one. If you don't have one, you can just remove it. Okay, I'm going to drag out something, a divider, to make it clean. You can increase it. Okay. Alright, I also want to add a boxed text. And follow us. Then make that bold. Let's save and pause. Okay, I think that's good enough. Alright, then you can save and exit, or you can also preview. Let's preview. These are going to look on a desktop, and you can see our mailing address is digital marketing, Bafemila University. Those are the address we put. Okay, add those to your address book. This is going to be there because you are using a free account, so this is like their watermark. Now if you are using a mobile, this is how it's going to look like on a mobile phone. Okay, to view the inbox, you need to be you need to upgrade your account. Okay, I think that's that. Then we test it. Always test your email before you send it out. Just input your email address to see how it's gonna look like. Then you send test. Okay, now let's check our email address. Okay, I see it set up demo, just like you have Jumia, Canva. So this should be the name of your business. Set up demo. You can see this is the reply address. This is the sent from and the reply address. Okay, can add it to contact. This is the subject. 5 tips to promote your business. Now this is the preview test. Find out how to double your sales online. 1. Prioritize email marketing. So these few characters are important. You can see the word test here. It won't appear on the real email. Okay, then let's see. So there it is. 5 tips to promote your business online. I think that's a pretty good job. So people can click that, and you can share, and you can follow. And this is your mailing address. Okay, that is that for sending out an email campaign. The next one is going to be landing page.